Is it just me, or has summer breezed on by? Maybe, but there's still time for you to squeeze in a late summer vacation. I know I'm ready, and Patty Peck can help you get ready. Right now, Patty Peck is packed with new Honda CR-Vs, Pilots, and Accord Hybrid EXLs. Talk about saving at the gas pump. Plus, every new Honda purchase comes with Patty Peck's fully insured lifetime powertrain warranty and the Love It or Leave It money-back guarantee. Start shopping now by scanning this QR code or at pattypeckhonda.com. Maybe if I take this out, it'll be lighter. Ooh.